Tricks and troubles, that's what I bring. Care to join in on the fun? I've got tricks up my sleeves and secrets buried in places you'd never dare to look. Oh, you think you're clever? You're just another toy, another fool to play with. That look on your face is priceless. But remember, my dear friend, even playthings can break, and I do so hate when the fun has to end. Or maybe that's when it really begins. You think you're safe? Oh, that's adorable. No one's safe from me. Not in the shadows, not under their beds, and certainly not in their dreams. I'll creep, I'll crawl, and when you least expect it, woo! Oh, how I love that sound. The sound of a heart skipping a beat. The gasp of fear. So come play with me if you dare. But remember, the goblet always wins.
Have you seen my dolly? She's hiding somewhere close. I think she likes you. She only hides from the ones who are scared. But you're not scared, are you? If you help me find her, maybe we can play forever and ever. It gets lonely here sometimes, and the others, they don't like to play nice. But you look kind. Please, stay with me. I promise I'll be good. Shh, don't wake the others. They don't like visitors. Last time they got really angry and bad things happened. But if you're quiet, maybe they won't notice. We can whisper stories and I can show you my secret places. Just stay close to me, okay? I'll protect you. As long as you stay quiet.
You wish to know the secrets of the ancients. Very well, but beware. Knowledge is its own hunger. Once it grips you, it will never let go. There are things in these pages that have driven men to madness, secrets that could unravel your very soul. Still interested? Brave. Or perhaps foolish. Either way, I shall guide you, but do not say you were not warned. Shh! The spirits in these books do not take kindly to noise. You seek knowledge, but the knowledge seeks you as well. There's a price for every secret whispered in these halls, a cost you may not be prepared to pay. Turn back now while you still can, or proceed and learn what lurks beyond the veil of understanding. But remember, once you open that door, it can never be closed again.
I might help you if you scratch behind my ears first. Honestly, you mortals are so predictable. Always barging into places that you don't belong. Poking your nose where they shouldn't be. But I suppose that's what makes it fun now, isn't it? Watching you stumble around, clueless and oh so vulnerable. So go ahead, scratch my ears, and maybe, just maybe, I'll tell you where the witch hides her secrets. My path. Will you? You know that old superstition about bad luck? It's not just a story. I can make your life very, very difficult. Or I could help you. If I felt like it. But why should I? What's in it for me? You see, I'm not your average cat. I have connections. And those who cross me, or my witch, well, they don't fare too well. So what's it going to be? Treat me well, and maybe, just maybe, we'll get along fine.
I once fought for honor, for king and country. But where were they when I was left to die, bleeding in the mud? Forgotten? My comrades turned their backs. My king looked away. And I rose again. Not for them, but for vengeance. The steel in my hand is no longer a weapon of justice. It is a reckoning. I will not rest until every oath-breaker, every coward feels the cold bites of my blade. They made me a ghost, and now I haunt them. They say a knight's duty is to protect, to serve. But what happens when those you protect betray you? When those you serve cast you aside like nothing? I have found a new purpose, a darker purpose. No longer will I be a shield for the unworthy. I am the sword. The retribution that comes for those who break their oaths. Run if you must. Hide if you can. But know this. The Forsaken Knight will find you. And justice, true justice, will be done.